welcome back to the channel, everybody. So today we're there, beach vibes in idea. Couldn't get to go on a river this week because whole heap of rain, so the river them don't look pretty at all. River them dirty. So we decided to come a beach. We'll link up with outdoor cooking and Smith World TV. Yeah, so we know we are gonna have a good time and we have a good day, so just stay tuned.
Pilot, me know land perfect, you know.
You can't float because you float last week.
What is this?
Go down the
what is this?
street.
Is that house?
Kind of realize every child.
Presidential Palace. Yeah, Kelani, you make it.
You know what I mean?
How you make it? Hey, Kelani. Why are you so dirty? Why are you so dirty? Alright, so today me I do some jerk chicken with some turn cornmeal. Yeah, or ton cornmeal, Jamaican style. Yeah, so that's on the menu for today. You want to go in the water? Yeah, alright, this one get to go in the water.
A crab on the car come.
It's Kelani here. And I promise an epic day today, you know, so just continue watching the video and you'll see. Not only the food, but we are going to have some fun too, you know, because we just come here to cook and go back home, you know. See all RJ there? You don't float?
Sleeping spot. No, sir.
Oh, okay. Yes, you say I go sleep in the water.
You have clarity.
Only big one.
You have clarity.
Is it? You are eating, man.
It's too small in
I
already.
usually make soup. If you're a small crab, you have a big line. Watch my Inkla. Inkla big. Inkla bigger than anybody. Mr. Crab.
Nice, please.
And the machine is off.
Everal,
Master,
you look like a loser all weight since your head trim, boy.
Mikey has a twin son, so
You lose all weight. Never know say head small until he trim.
Yeah, Mikey said never know say head small. When you see him last night.
You never see? As Zachariah said, we are calling him with the head picky.
Zachariah said.
You remember that something Kim? Zachariah said, yeah. Saw the dumpling in his bed. What is some? I get the chicken. Cut up and I cut it in a 4/4. Normally, I do chicken with me, I jerk it 4/4. So I clean it up, remove all of them part here, season it up, and then I have a grill out there. So the grill clean up and ready. Then take it from there. So just stay tuned. Big things are coming.
You see it too?
Make roll over here already. French fried chicken back.
Yeah.
So I'll give you over there some mashed up piece. Seafood piece and a mash up over there. And a mash up. Tell on here, so one thing, you know. Want to go back in the water? You soon get to go back in the water. Here, soon get to go back in the water. And then so you know.
Actually, you always buy the one day, so me always think I eat your buy.
You see them season, you know?
Yeah, them salty.
You have to be careful with them. Because they're salty. The other day, a sugar saved me. Sugar and barbecue sauce saved me the other day.
Oh, because when you go
no. Same time when I go check see with them.
Oh.
Eat chicken. I not tell her like this. You know what? But as you open your back, catch up back.
Nice.
When we done with the man, it was shine like a polish. Yeah, I want to say polish man, and I see it out here shine too. See, catch up back.
Right.
Out here shine, man.
man.
I love it, man. Me I tell you. Right now, I love this more than the pot that me have a yard, brother.
More than the pot then?
Yeah, man, I love it, man.
Yeah.
Because as a matter of fact, you can put on the pot pan it. You understand? Yeah, man.
Inside.
Me jerk fish, me jerk pork, beef, chicken, everything.
Everything.
Yeah, man. Now this is a little something you see. Also.
Yeah, go on, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. That's nice.
Man, acrobatic. Ajay. That takes our serious skills, you know. That takes our serious skills, brother. Yeah, man. I do that right now, all of my lungs full of water. Turn upside down in the water, no, sir? All when me upright, water going in my lungs much less. Yeah, man. Machine. Check this out. Alright, so what this? Moisturize it. Okay, go to the spa right away. We got some dip, some sauce we're meant to dip it in. No, you don't get no taste.
And must have the chicken food this soft.
Yeah.
And the pot never
And the
start
chocho,
boil it.
I
Yes.
must say chocho no take long to cook, you know.
Yeah.
And the chocho couldn't cook. Massacre. Yeah, alright, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, hello.
Greetings.
Hello. So you have to say it, man. Hello.
Hello. Yes, that it? So yeah, every time you
Oh, veg.
Exactly. We don't have that. Jabby every day.
There. You have a cornmeal. We're adding some coconut milk. Kendall this. We're using some Kendall.
Kendall.
So this is a coconut milk, cornmeal, sugar, little bit of grace cock soap. No add no seasoning yet still, but now we have to cut up. We have the diced seasoning and the patak simmer down a bit.
That jump off right? You just go right through.
Boy, I don't know. Hey, God, give me a gift.
You can't take all the credit and me and you jerk it.
Eh?
And me and you
No,
jerk
you're
it.
turning. Man, what a pot of rice pretty.
One in your cup.
Make it stay up on the grill, see? Don't worry about it. Stay up on the grill.
Oh, that's
Flip. Look at this. Sesame roll. Big plate of food.
alright.
I know I love the food already, so see that. Eh? All video the pan. But I cannot cut it both. The dance inside there.
First me try jerk chicken and turn continent. What you eat this morning in your room?
Mash up theme. Some turn cornmeal and some jerk chicken. So check it.
Spicy.
Check it out.
I don't want the ketchup.
MT. That's what they call it.
The jerk one are very spicy.
They're from a mash up theme.
The barbecue.
Okay.
They're a mash up theme.
I tell people, oh God, man.
Yeah,
Should
man.
have done yourself. That's all.
Love it, man. Love it.
Love you.
Watch ya. Tell us that me know say that one they go with it. Me tell us that one they go with it. Me know say that one they go with it.